I'm in here drinking, boy. I'm in here drinking that lemon cucumber water. Going bananas on a Wednesday. I'm about to go in here and crunch, and plank, do some crunches and some planks and some leg lifts. I am so excited for Pilates because summer body is loading. I want you guys to click that link, and I'm doing a juicing fast, a juicing cleanse. Well, not a fast. Well, fast just means that you're eliminating something. So I do encourage you to eliminate the junk food. Just do that one thing. I ain't about to give you no list. I ain't gonna give you a list unless you want a list. Sign up for the list. I can give you a list, but I just want you to start one thing. Eliminate the junk food. When you eliminate the junk food, let me tell you how your headspace clears up. Your mind clears up. Your first eye clears up. And for you, those of you out there with questions, they are revealed. You get downloads. They are within you. It is your intuition. So you have to tune in. And the only way to tune in is to eliminate the static. How do we eliminate fudge? Hijo de puta madre. I'm slurring my words. Forgive me, I am new to this thing here. Ain't no edits up in here, bro. Ain't no edits. How to eliminate. Stick to it, Mr. Stick to it. I was just talking about some t-shirts and some Canva and some stuff to it. And Mr. Stick to it came to mind as well. But just eliminating the clutter. So your intuition can kick in. Your intuition can kick in and you can hear better. And those answers can come to you for those questions that you are asking. What is my passion? What is my next step? What is the end game? Where do I want to be in 5 months, 5 years? And those answers will come to you. You have to clear the clutter. They just put out a report about some stuff that's causing cancer. I was talking about the plastic. Yeah, that's what I was saying about the plastics. Hit me up driving and enjoying the live. Now, if you're driving, I can sing a song. Billie Jean is not my lover. She's just a girl that thinks that I am the one. Billie Jean. Okay, so eliminate the clutter. If you can just start by, if those of you looking to get a summer body, I need to know who I'm talking to. Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Are you looking? Mike. Yeah, I only went with Mike because I got on my glove. I'm a weirdo, bro. This my work uniform. I'm a weirdo. I be coming to work with, it is what it is. It is what it is. Dylan. Mike is the king. And thank you so much for coming through, Mr. Stick to It, Trisha, Elevated, Coach Reva, and the real Fee Nicole. And of course, Queen's Alchemy. All right. And it's me who was like, hey, you lagging, get back out of them woods. Because I started walking out here to the woods at one point. I don't know. I just be walking. And, but yeah, get you some glass mason jars. They're only $1. Look, I got seeds in there. What you know about them seeds? What you know about them seeds? Okay? If it has seeds in it, it is bueno para tu. It is good for you. Anything with seeds in it is good for you. Let's get to that where we are eliminating the processed foods and the junk foods, right? And so we can get to where we want to be. So it's not all about having a six-pack. Thank you so much kindly, Sarah Rose. Thank you so much kindly. The arm sleeves. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. But yeah, it's not all about physical. A lot of the times, mental comes first, spiritual comes first. Spiritual comes first, definitely God first, because it's going to move you. It's going to move you, and it's going to it's going to plant that seed in the mental. So mental is first. So a lot of times where I go on these cleanses where I'm like, no más papas, no más arroz, no más blanco, no más. No más. No más white. Blanco is white. Arroz, rice, papas, potatoes. Pastels is cakes, desserts. Azúcar is sugar. I don't want to give you a Spanish lesson. I can just switch over to my language channel for that. But just eliminating the white stuff is my first step when I start a cleanse. And I posted a pre-cleanse infographic for you guys if you want to jump in on Beat Week. I dare you to beat me on Beat Week. I dare you. I dare you to beat me. I do. The first step, eliminating the junk and adding in some good stuff. Habit stack. You want to get back into fitness? Start with breathing. Start with exercise, all that white stuff. Get off my banana. All that white stuff. White ain't no good for you. The more color you have, the more color that you have, the better. Reds are good for your blood. Oranges are good for your immunity. Purples and blues are good for your brain. Greens are good for totals. Green is good for everything because look, everything is green. Everything is green. Everything is green. So you got to know green is good for you. True that. So let's start there by eliminating take a choice. It's levels. And I love you. Te amo. Je t'aime. Ich liebe dich. I'll tell you I love you in quite a few languages. I'm gonna share my language channel. I ain't gonna get too far ahead. I ain't gonna bust y'all up with too much. But I thank you so much kindly for all of you, and I'm notating forever. I'm notating, and I'll see you in these YouTube streets. Boss lady is like, get in here and teach that class. Class don't start till you get there. Adios, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, and arrivederci, das Vidania.